अपनी गली में कुत्ता भी शेर होता है. A dog is a lion in his lane. A dog is a lion in his lane. आदमी पेट का गुलाम है. A man is a slave of his stomach. A man is a slave of his stomach. इंसान की कद्र मरने के बाद होती है. A man's worth is known after his death. A man's worth is known after his death. थोड़ी देर बाद वो आया. A while later he came. A while later he came. थोड़ी शक्कर और डाल दो. Add a little more sugar. Add a little more sugar. अहमद ने अपने वालिदैन को अलविदा कहा. Ahmed took leave of his parents. Ahmed took leave of his parents. पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती. All are not alike. All are not alike. बेहतर है. All right. All right. दुनिया फानी है. All things must pass. All things must pass. हमेशा अपनी बात के पक्के रहो. Always be true to your words. Always be true to your words. अहमद आजकल बेकार है. Ahmed is out of work nowadays. Ahmed is out of work nowadays. मेरे लिए कोई खिदमत? Any service for me? Any service for me? पक्का? Are you sure? Are you sure? जैसे ही मैच शुरू हुआ बारिश होने लगी. As soon as the match began, it started raining. As soon as the match began, it started raining. सब कुछ हस्ब मामूल है. Everything is as usual. Everything is as usual. जैसा आप चाहें. As you like. As you like. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. आखिरकार वो आ ही गया. At last he came. At last he came. पहले आप जनाब. After you, sir. After you, sir. सब ठीक ठाक है. All is well. All is well. आप मेरी मदद करने वाले हो ना? Are you going to help me, aren't you? Are you going to help me, aren't you? ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. जितना हो नरम खो बनो. Be nice as much as you can. Be nice as much as you can. माज़ूली के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. Be prepared for dismissal. Be prepared for dismissal. वक्त का पाबंद रहिए. Be punctual. Be punctual. चलते बनो. Be on your way. Be on your way. अपनी उम्र के हिसाब से काम करो. Be your age. Be your age. محتاط رہیے. Be aware. Be aware. اپنی ناک صاف کر لو. Blow out your nose. Blow out your nose. اس کا کوئی فائدہ نہیں ہوا. It was of no use. It was of no use. میری ساری امیدیں مٹی میں مل گئیں. All my hopes were dashed to the ground. All my hopes were dashed to the ground. حقیقت یہ ہے کہ وہ بیمار تھا. The truth is that he was ill. The truth is that he was ill. لیکن میں اور کر ہی کیا سکتا ہوں. But what else can I do? But what else can I do? کیا آپ گھڑی دیکھنا جانتے ہو؟ Can you read the watch? Can you read the watch? کھانا اچھی طرح چباؤ. Chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. اچھی طرح صاف کرو. Clean properly. Clean properly. جلدی آؤ. Come soon. Come soon. چاہے کچھ بھی ہو میں آپ کا ساتھ نہیں چھوڑ سکتا. Come what may, I cannot leave you. Come what may, I can't leave you. مبارک ہو. Congratulations. Congratulations. یقیناً. Definitely. Definitely. مزہ آیا؟ Did you have fun? Did you have fun? جیسا میں کہتا ہوں ویسا کرو. Do as I tell you. Do as I tell you. جیسا کہا گیا ویسا کرو. Do as told. Do as told. وعدے سے مت پھرو. Do not back out of your promises. Do not back out of your promises. پاگل مت بنو. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. کسی کا دل نہ دکھاؤ. Do not injure anybody's feelings. Do not injure anybody's feelings. اس کی فکر نہ کریں. Do not mention it. Do not mention it. میری بات دل پر مت لو. Do not take my words to heart. Do not take my words to heart. سب کام اپنے سر مت لو. Do not let too much go to your head. Do not let too much go to your head. تکلف نہ کریں. Do not trouble yourself. Do not trouble yourself. فکر نہ کریں. Don't worry. Don't worry. پینسل سے مت لکھو. Do not write in pencil. Do not write in pencil. دوبارہ ضرور آنا. Do visit us again. Do visit us again. کیا آپ جانتے ہو؟ Do you know? Do you know? کیا آپ سمجھ رہے ہیں کہ میں کیا چاہتا ہوں؟ Do you understand what I want? Do you understand what I want? سمجھ رہے ہیں؟ Do you understand? Do you understand? سمجھے؟ Did you understand? Did you understand? کوئی بات نہیں. Does not matter. Does not matter. دوبارہ یہاں مت دکھنا. Don't come back here again. Don't come back here again. مذاق مت کرو. Don't make a joke. Don't make a joke. تاخیر مت کرو. Don't delay. Don't delay. جلد بازی میں کوئی کام مت کرو. Don't do anything in a hurry. Don't do anything in a hurry. کام کرتے وقت مت اونگو. Don't doze while working. Don't doze while working. مت بھولو. Don't forget. Don't forget. بارش میں باہر مت جاؤ. کہیں ایسا نہ ہو کہ تمہیں ٹھنڈ لگ جائے. Don't go out in the rain, lest you should catch a cold. Don't go out in the rain, lest you should catch a cold. ظاہری امور کی بنیاد پر فیصلہ مت کرو. Don't judge things by their appearance. Don't judge things by their appearance. مجھے مت سمجھاؤ. Don't make me understand. Don't make me understand. بھوک سے زیادہ مت کھاؤ. Don't overeat. Don't overeat. بیکار مت بیٹھو. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. دوسروں کی برائی مت کرو. Don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. فرش پر مت تھوکو. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. میرے بارے میں بات مت کرو. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. بکواس مت کرو. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. مجھے مت سکھاؤ. Don't teach me. Don't teach me. مجھے پریشان مت کرو. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. میرے صبر کا امتحان مت لو. Don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. اسمارٹ بننے کی کوشش مت کرو. Don't try to act smart. Don't try to act smart. دوبارہ مجھ سے ٹکرانے کی کوشش مت کرنا. Don't try to clash with me again. Don't try to clash with me again. بہت زیادہ پریشان مت ہو. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. پاگل مت بنو. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मुझसे कभी बात मत करना. Don't ever talk to me. Don't ever talk to me. मुझसे बात मत करना. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. जैसा आपको अच्छा लगे वैसा करो. Do as you please. Do as you please. बेवकूफ हूं जैसी हरकत मत करो. Don't be so silly. Don't be so silly. क्या मैं आपसे पर्सनल सवाल पूछ सकता हूं? Do you mind if I ask you a personal question? Do you mind if I ask you a personal question? काले आदमी साबुन लगाए गोरे नहीं होते. Dark deeds cannot be hidden. Dark deeds cannot be hidden. इतना खाओ जितना पचे. Eat no more than you can digest. Eat no more than you can digest. अब बस बहुत हो गया. मुझे अब ये फिर से नहीं सुनना. Enough is enough. I don't want to hear this again. Enough is enough. I don't want to hear this again. आदमी अपने दिल का बादशाह है. Everyone is king over his own heart. Everyone is king over his own heart. हर किसी को मालूम है. Everyone knows. Everyone knows. सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है. Everything is all right. Everything is all right. सब कुछ मंसूबा के मुताबिक चल रहा था. Everything was going as planned. Everything was going as planned. गुस्ताखी माफ करें. Excuse me. Excuse me. मेरे पीछे आइए. Follow me. Follow me. थोड़ी देर के लिए. For some time. For some time. आशनाई करना आसान है लेकिन निभाना मुश्किल है. Friendships are soon made but rarely ripened. Friendships are soon made but rarely ripened. عموماً generally दफा हो जाओ. Get lost. Get lost. अब काफी जल्दी आ गए. आप बहुत जल्दी आ गए. You came very early. You came very early. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. मुझसे दूर रहो. Get away from me. Get away from me. गुस्सा होने से काम नहीं चलेगा. Getting angry won't work. Getting angry won't work. निकलो यहां से. Get lost. Get lost. मेरे ऊपर से हाथ हटाओ. Get off me. Get off me. अपने बराबर वालों को इज्जत दो. Get due regards to your equals. Give due regards to your equals. जाओ और मजे करो. Go and enjoy yourself. Go and enjoy yourself. भाड़ में जाओ. Go to hell. Go to hell. खुदा ना खास्ता. God forbid. God forbid. अकेले दुकेले का अल्लाह बेली. God protects the friendless. God protects the friendless. जितना गुड़ डालोगे उतना ही मीठा होगा. Good materials, good works. Good materials, good works. उसकी मुट्ठी गर्म कर दो. Grace his palm. Grace his palm. अल्लाह सफर मुबारक करे. Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey. भिखारी पर तरस खाकर मैंने उसे कुछ पैसे दे दिए. Having felt pity for the beggar, I gave him some money. Having felt pity for the beggar, I gave him some money. वो आज उदास दिखाई दे रहा है. He appears to be sad today. He appears to be sad today. वो आइन वक्त पर आया. He came in the nick of time. He came in the nick of time. उसने मेरी गर्दन पकड़ी. He caught me by the neck. He caught me by the neck. उसने ऐसा बार बार किया. He did it again and again. He did it again and again. वो गहरी नींद में जा चुका है. He has fallen into a deep slumber. He has fallen into a deep slumber. उसका दिल पत्थर का है. He has an adamant heart. He has an adamant heart. वो अपनी बात का पक्का है. He is a man of his word. He is a man of his word. वो अपने साए से डरता है. He is afraid of his own shadow. He is afraid of his own shadow. वो अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है. He is doing his best. He is doing his best. घर में चिराग तक नहीं जलता. He is extremely poor. He is extremely poor. वो दिल का नर्म है. He is kind at heart. He is kind at heart. उसको बुखार चढ़ा है. He is laid up with a fever. He is laid up with a fever. आदिल पसंद होने की वजह से हर एक उससे मोहब्बत करता है. He is loved by everyone for being just. He is loved by everyone for being just. वो क्लास में मुझसे बहुत नीचे है. He is much below me in the class. He is much below me in the class. वो तैश में है. He is on a rampage. He is on a rampage. वो सचमुच मेहनत कर रहा है. He is really working hard. He is really working hard. वो मालदार है फिर भी नाखुश है. He is rich, yet he is unhappy. He is rich, yet he is unhappy. وہ مجھ پر بہت مہربان ہے. He is very kind to me. He is very kind to me. پانچوں انگلیاں گھی میں ہیں. He lives on the fat of the land. He lives on the fat of the land. اس نے ایسا کبھی نہیں کہا. He never said so. He never said so. اس نے اس کو کوئی اہمیت نہیں دی. He paid no attention to him. He paid no attention to him. وہ اتنی زور سے بولا کہ ہال میں موجود تمام لوگوں نے اسے واضح طور پر سنا. He spoke so loudly that everyone in the hall heard him clearly. He spoke so loudly that everyone in the hall heard him clearly. اس کو سب کی فکر ہے. He takes care of all. He takes care of all. وہ محو گفتگو تھا. He was busy in conversation. He was busy in conversation. جو کچھ اس نے کیا تھا اس پر وہ واقعی بہت پشیماں تھا. He was really very sorry for what he had done. He was really very sorry for what he had done. وہ مفت میں کام کرتا ہے. He works for free. He works for free. وہ بولنے کے مقابلے میں لکھتا اچھا ہے. He writes better than he speaks. He writes better than he speaks. تندرستی ہزار نعمت ہے. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. اس کا چہرہ غصے سے لال ہو گیا. Her face grew red with anger. Her face grew red with anger. یہ لیجیے. Here you go. Here you go. ارے دھیان دو آپ میرے پیر پر کھڑے ہیں. Here, mind. You are standing on my foot. Here, mind. You are standing on my foot. اتنی تاخیر کیسے ہوئی آپ کو؟ How come you are so late? How come you are so late? اس کے کان کھڑے ہو گئے. His ears perked up. His ears perked up. اس کا چہرہ اتر گیا. His face fell. His face fell. غصہ اس کی ناک پر رہتا ہے. His nose is always red with passion. His nose is always red with passion. مضبوطی سے پکڑو. Hold firmly. Hold firmly. اپنی زبان پر قابو رکھو. Hold your tongue. مجھے رات کا کھانا پیش کیا گیا. I was served dinner. I was served dinner. میں نے آپ کو غلط سمجھا. I was wrong about you. I was wrong about you. میں اسے دل و جان سے کروں گا. I'll do it with heart and soul. I'll do it with heart and soul. میں کوئی بھی کسر باقی نہیں چھوڑوں گا. I'll leave no stone unturned. I'll leave no stone unturned. یہ تو بڑی ہی شرم کی بات ہے. It's a matter of great shame. It's a matter of great shame. میں بھی آپ کے لیے ایسا ہی کرنا چاہتا ہوں. I wish to do the same for you. I wish to do the same for you. میں نے بڑی محنت کی پھر بھی کامیاب نہ ہو سکا. I worked very hard. Still I couldn't get success. I worked very hard. Still I couldn't get success. میں بس ابھی تیار ہوتا ہوں. I'll be ready in a moment. I'll be ready in a moment. میں آپ کا شکر گزار ہوں. I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful to you. مجھے کہیں بھی خود سے جانے کی اجازت نہیں ہے. I'm not allowed to go anywhere on my own. I'm not allowed to go anywhere on my own. اب میں کسی کام کا نہیں ہوں. I'm of no use anymore. I'm of no use anymore. میرے پاس پیسے نہیں ہیں. I'm out of money. I'm out of money. میں خود سے مشق کر رہا ہوں. I'm practicing on my own. I'm practicing on my own. میرے پاس وقت کم ہے. I'm short of time. I'm short of time. مجھے کامیابی کا یقین ہے انشاءاللہ. I'm sure to get successful inshallah. I'm sure to get successful inshallah. معاف کریں میں آپ کا نام بھول رہا ہوں. I'm afraid your name escapes me. I'm afraid your name escapes me. معاف کریں میں نے غلطی سے آپ کی چھتری لے لی. I'm sorry I took your umbrella by mistake. I'm sorry I took your umbrella by mistake. وہ کیا کہتا ہے مجھے اس کی کوئی پرواہ نہیں. I don't give a damn about what he says. I don't give a damn about what he says. مجھے کوئی پرواہ نہیں ہے. I don't care. I don't care. مجھے لگ رہا تھا کہ آج آپ آؤ گے. I had a hunch that you would come today. I had a hunch that you would come today. میں نے آپ کا کچھ برا نہیں کیا. I've done you no wrong. I've done you no wrong. آپ سے کل ملوں گا ٹھیک ہے. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, okay? آپ کو کوئی دقت نہ ہو تو میں پنکھا چلا دوں. If you don't mind, I would like to turn on the fan. If you don't mind, I would like to turn on the fan. ایسی بات نہیں ہے. It is not the case. It is not the case. مجھے آپ سے کچھ پوچھنا ہے. I've something to ask you. I've something to ask you. اگر ضروری ہوا. If necessary. If necessary. فوراً. Immediately. Immediately. دنیا کے کونے کونے میں. In all parts of the world. In all parts of the world. زندگی میں ہمیں اتار چڑھاؤ کا سامنا کرنا پڑتا ہے. In life, we have to face ups and downs. In life, we have to face ups and downs. साइकिल में हवा भर दो। Inflate the cycle. Inflate the cycle. क्या ये वाकई सच है? Is that really true? Is that really true? इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। It does not make any sense. It does not make any sense. इससे तुम्हारा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। It has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. मेरे लिए सब बराबर है। It is all the same for me. It is all the same for me. ये अल्लाह का फैसला है। It is an act of God. It is an act of God. आज हवा बहुत तेज चल रही है। It is blowing very hard today. It is blowing very hard today. दो ही चीजें हैं, हार या जीत। It is one of two, lose or win. It is one of two, lose or win. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है। It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. मेरी घड़ी में 5 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी हैं। It is 10 minutes to 5 by my watch. It is 10 minutes to 5 by my watch. अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम अपना हिसाब बराबर कर लें। It is time to settle our account. It is time to settle our account. ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब बारिश होने वाली है। It looks as if it is going to rain. It looks as if it is going to rain. आयब करने को भी हुनर चाहिए। It takes skill even to do wrong. It takes skill even to do wrong. कल बड़े जोर की बारिश हुई। It rained very heavily yesterday. It rained very heavily yesterday. इससे काम चल जाता है। It serves the purpose. It serves the purpose. ये तो बस गलती से हो गया। It was merely done by mistake. It was merely done by mistake. ये आपका कसूर ना था। It was not your fault. It was not your fault. आखिरी वक्त में अपना नाम वापस लेना गलत होगा। It will be wrong to withdraw my name at the last minute. It will be wrong to withdraw my name at last minute. इससे फकत परेशानी आएगी। It will bring nothing but trouble. It will bring nothing but trouble. इसमें तो बहुत परेशानी होगी। It will cause a lot of trouble. It will cause a lot of trouble. इससे मेरा काम चल जाएगा। It will serve my purpose. बड़ी फजूल बात है। How absurd. How absurd. ऐसा कहने की तुम्हारी जुर्रत कैसे हुई? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? कितनी बड़ी बेइज्जती की बात है। How disgraceful. How disgraceful. छी छी। How disgusting. How disgusting. मौसम कितना अच्छा है. How fine the weather is. How fine the weather is. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he. How dare he. कितना खूबसूरत है. How lovely. How lovely. आपकी कोट में कितनी जेबें हैं. How many pockets are there in your coat? How many pockets are there in your coat? कितने दुख की बात है. How sad. How sad. ये कितना ताज्जुब खेज है. How surprising this is. How surprising this is. क्या कहने. How sweet. How sweet. बहुत तकलीफ की बात है. How tragic. How tragic. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. मामले को दबा दो. Hush up the matter. Hush up the matter. मुझे एतराफ़ है कि मैं गलती पर था. I admit that I was wrong. I admit that I was wrong. मैं आपकी राय से मुत्तफ़िक़ हूँ. I agree with your proposal. I agree with your proposal. आज मेरी तबीयत कुछ ख़राब है. I'm a bit indisposed today. I'm a bit indisposed today. मुझे मरने का डर नहीं है. I'm not afraid of death. I'm not afraid of death. मेरी उससे बातचीत नहीं है. I'm not on good terms with him. I'm not on good terms with him. आपको परेशान करने का मुझे अफसोस है. I'm sorry to disturb you. I'm sorry to disturb you. माफ़ कीजिए. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm very glad. I'm very glad. मैं माज़रत ख़्वाह हूँ. I apologize. I apologize. माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. मैं जा सकता हूँ, है ना? I can go, can't I? I can go, can't I? इस सिलसिले में मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I can't do anything about it. I can't do anything about it. मैं इसको बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. मैंने बिल्कुल वैसा ही किया जैसा तुमने किया. I did exactly as you did. I did exactly as you did. मैं इस किस्म के लोगों को नापसंद करता हूँ. I dislike this kind of person. I dislike this kind of person. मुझे तैरना नहीं आता है. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. पता नहीं क्या होगा. I don't know what will happen. I don't know what will happen. मेरा मकसद कोई नुकसान पहुंचाना नहीं है. I don't mean any harm. I don't mean any harm. Don't mean any harm. मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारी किस्मत के भरोसे नहीं छोड़ना चाहता. I don't want to leave you to your destiny. I don't want to leave you to your destiny. मैं तुम्हारी सूरत नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face. मैं इसे मुफ्त में नहीं लेना चाहता. I don't want to take it for free. I don't want to take it for free. मेरा नुक्ता नज़र कुछ और है. I have another point of view. I have another point of view. मैंने इसे अच्छे से किया है. I've done it quite well. I've done it quite well. इसको करने के अलावा मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं है. I've no alternative but to do this. I've no alternative but to do this. मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी पैसे नहीं है. I've no money at all. I've no money at all. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं. I've no money. I've no money. मेरे पास खाने को कुछ भी नहीं है. I've nothing to eat. I've nothing to eat. मुझे आपको फौरन कुछ बताना है. I've something to tell you urgently. I've something to tell you urgently. मुझे किसी न किसी तरह पढ़ना है. I have to read it somehow. I have to read it somehow. मुझे इसकी उम्मीद है. I hope so. I hope so. मैं गमज़दा होकर घर से रवाना हुआ. I left my home with a heavy heart. I left my home with a heavy heart. मुझे यह आदत छोड़ देनी चाहिए. I must get rid of this habit. I must get rid of this habit. मैं अक्सर खुद को खोया हुआ पाता हूँ. I often find myself lost. I often find myself lost. मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त करता हूँ. I request you. I request you. मैंने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की लेकिन नाकाम रहा. I tried my best but failed. I tried my best but failed. मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था. I was just kidding. I was just kidding. बात तुम्हारी जिंदगी की है. It's about your life. It's about your life. ये सब आपका किया धरा है. It's all you're doing. It's all you're doing. ये तयशुदा बात है. It's an indisputable matter. It's an indisputable matter. ये मेरी बर्दाश्त से बाहर है. It's beyond my bearing. It's beyond my bearing. ये मेरी समझ से बाहर है. It's beyond my understanding. It's beyond my understanding. یہ تمہاری بھلائی کے لیے ہے. It's for your good. It's for your good. مزہ آنے والا ہے. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. یہ میرا شکریہ کہنے کا طریقہ ہے. It's my way of saying thank you. It's my way of saying thank you. بات پیسے کی نہیں ہے. It's not about money. It's not about money. بات ایسی نہیں ہے. It's not like that. It's not like that. بس ایک منٹ. Just a minute. Just a minute. بس ابھی آیا. Just coming. Just coming. اس بات کو ذہن میں رکھیے. Keep it in your mind. Keep it in your mind. یہ بات اپنے تک رکھنا, کسی کو مت بتانا. Keep it to yourself and do not pass it on. Keep it to yourself and do not pass it on. اپنا سبق اپنے پاس رکھو. Keep your lessons to yourself. Keep your lessons to yourself. فوراً نکلو. Leave immediately. Leave immediately. مجھے تنہا چھوڑ دو. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. چنے کے ساتھ گھننا پس جائے. Let not the innocent suffer from the guilty. Let not the innocent suffer from the guilty. بستر لگا دو. Make the bed. Make the bed. لوگوں کی ٹپکا ٹپکی لگی رہتی ہے. Men are dropping off one after the other. Men are dropping off one after the other. اپنی عادتیں سدھار لو. Mend your ways. Mend your ways. اپنے کام سے کام رکھو. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. میرے منہ میں پانی آ گیا. My mouth watered. My mouth watered. میری انگوٹھی سونے کی ہے. My ring is made of gold. My ring is made of gold. کبھی مت بھولو. Never forget. Never forget. کوئی نہیں. Never mind. Never mind. اس میں کوئی شک نہیں. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. غریب کو کون مانتا ہے؟ No one cares for the poor. No one cares for the poor. تھوڑا سا بھی نہیں. Not a bit. Not a bit. کچھ خاص نہیں. Nothing special. Nothing special. کچھ نہیں, بس پہلے جیسا ہے. Nothing. It is as usual. Nothing. It is as usual. اب ایک دوسرے سے ملو. Now be friends. Now be friends. اب عادت ڈال لو. Now get into the habit. Now get into the habit. اب یہاں سے نکلو. Now go away from here. Now go away from here. अच्छा फिर मिलेंगे. Okay, see you around. Okay, see you around. अपने दिल का हाल कहो. Open your heart and soul. Open your heart and soul. मुझे माफ करें. Pardon me. Pardon me. अपने नाखून काट लो. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. संतरा छील दो. Peel the orange. Peel the orange. मुझे जाने की इजाजत दीजिए. Please allow me to go. Please allow me to go. मुझे शर्मिंदा मत कीजिए. Please do not embarrass me. Please do not embarrass me. आप बुरा ना माने. Please don't mind this. Please don't mind this. मुझे बाहर निकालो. Please get me out. Please get me out. मेरी तंगदस्ती के वक्त मेरी मदद करो. Please help me in my bad times. Please help me in my bad times. ताल्लुक बनाए रखें. Please keep in touch. Please keep in touch. बराए करम मुझे बचाने का कोई रास्ता सोचो. Please think of some way to rescue me. Please think of some way to rescue me. दवा और दुआ दोनों करनी चाहिए. Prayers and medicine should go together. Prayers and medicine should go together. मुझे ये खत पढ़कर सुनाओ. Read this letter out to me. Read this letter out to me. याद करो हम लोगों ने कितना मजा किया था. Remember how much fun we had. Remember how much fun we had. उसे फोन करो. Ring him up. Ring him up. जो चाहो कहो लेकिन मैं आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकता. Say what you like, but I can't help you. Say what you like, but I can't help you. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. आंखों देखा कभी झूठा नहीं होता. Seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. अपना हिसाब किताब कर लो. Settle your account. Settle your account. हाथ मिलाइए. Shake hands. Shake hands. लानत है तुम पर. Shame on you. Shame on you. वो पागल हो गई है. She has gone mad. She has gone mad. वो मेरी आंखों का तारा है. She is the apple of my eye. She is the apple of my eye. वो हर एक की आंखों का तारा है. She is the apple of eye of everyone. She is the apple of eye of everyone. वो मेरी एक बात भी नहीं सुनती. She never listens to a word I say. She never listens to a word I say. मेहमानों को अंदर ले आओ. show the guest in, show the guest in. خاموشی نیم رضامندی ہے. Silence is half consent, silence is half consent. دھیرے چلو اتنی جلدی کیا ہے. Slow down, what is the rush? Slow down, what is the rush? یہاں تک تو سب ٹھیک ہے. So far so good, so far so good. اپنے من کی کہو. Speak your mind, speak your mind. لیمو نچوڑ دو. Squeeze the lemon, squeeze the lemon. سیدھے کھڑے ہو جاؤ. Stand upright, stand upright. جہاں ہو وہیں رہو. Stay where you are, stay where you are. من لگا کر پڑھو. Study with all your heart, study with all your heart. انسان ٹھوکر کھا کر ہی سنبھلتا ہے. Stumble and get the sense, stumble and get the sense. اس کا خیال رکھیں. Take care of him, take care of him. اپنے جوتے نکال دو. Take off your shoes, take off your shoes. کام کی بات کرو. Talk sense, talk sense. اب بات کرنے کا کوئی فائدہ نہیں. Talking won't work anymore, talking won't work anymore. اس آدمی سے کہو نکل جائے. Tell that man to leave, tell that man to leave. اللہ کا شکر ہے. Thank God, thank God. عزت دینے کے لیے شکریہ. Thank you for your honor, thank you for your honor. آپ کا پیشگی شکریہ. Thank you in advance, thank you in advance. اس کا یہاں آنا پکا ہے. He will certainly come here, he will certainly come here. یہ میرے لیے خوشی کی بات ہوگی. That would be my pleasure, that would be my pleasure. میرے پاس اتنا ہی ہے. That's all I have, that's all I have. رونے کے علاوہ بچہ اور کر ہی کیا سکتا ہے. The child has no choice but to weep, the child has no choice but to weep. تقدیر کی لکیر امٹ ہے. The decrees of fate are unchangeable, the decrees of fate are unchangeable. گھر کو آگ لگا دی گئی. The house was set on fire, the house was set on fire. شکاری نے بندوق سے چیتے کو مار گرایا. The hunter killed the tiger with a gun, the hunter killed the tiger with a gun. چراغ گل ہو گئے. The lamps have gone out, the lamps have gone out. میچ برابر رہا. The match ended in a draw, the match ended in a draw. بات آپ سے متعلق نہیں ہے. The matter does not concern you. The matter does not concern you. معاملہ ابھی بھی زیر غور ہے. The matter is still pending. The matter is still pending. جتنا زیادہ انہیں ملتا ہے اتنا زیادہ وہ چاہتے ہیں. The more they get, the more they want. The more they get, the more they want. منصوبہ کام کر گیا. The plan worked. The plan worked. جھگڑے کا فیصلہ ہو گیا ہے. The quarrel is settled. The quarrel is settled. بقیت تمہارے اوپر ہے. The rest is upon to you. The rest is upon to you. جیسا ہے ویسا بتاؤ. Tell it like it is. Tell it like it is. سب ٹھیک ہے لیکن That's all well and good, but That's all well and good, but اب بس بہت ہو گیا ماہین. وہ قلم واپس کر دو. That's enough ماہین. Give that pen back to me. That's enough ماہین. Give that pen back to me. برابر ہے. That's it. That's it. بہتر ہے. That's more like it. That's more like it. کوئی حد نہیں ہے. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. وقت پر ہمارا پہنچنا ممکن نہیں ہے. There is no way we can reach on time. There is no way we can reach on time. کام بالکل بند ہو گیا ہے. The work came to a standstill. The work came to a standstill. ان کا کھیل ختم. Their game was up. Their game was up. تمہارے جیسے سینکڑوں پھرتے ہیں. There are hundreds like you knocking about. There are hundreds like you knocking about. ایک غلطی ہو گئی ہے. There has been a mistake. There has been a mistake. کوئی جلدی نہیں ہے. There is no hurry. There is no hurry. مصیبت سے نکلنے کا کوئی راستہ نہیں ہے. There is no way out of difficulty. There is no way out of difficulty. کہنے کو کچھ نہیں ہے. There is nothing to say. There is nothing to say. اس میں بھی کچھ ہے. There is some mystery here. There is some mystery here. آپ سے کوئی ملنے آیا ہے. There is someone to see you. There is someone to see you. کہنے کو زیادہ کچھ نہیں ہے. There isn't much to say. There isn't much to say. سوچ سمجھ کر بولو. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. یہ کتاب اس مضمون سے متعلق نہیں ہے. This book does not deal with this subject. This book does not deal with this subject. یہ آپ کو خطرے میں ڈال سکتا ہے. This can put you at risk. This can put you at risk. یہ ایک شریف آدمی کا کام ہے. This is an act of a noble man. This is an act of a noble man. جتنا میں نے سوچا تھا یہ اس سے کہیں زیادہ آسان ہے. This is easier than I thought. This is easier than I thought. میرے لیے کافی نہیں ہے. This is not enough for me. This is not enough for me. ये ठीक उसी तरह है जैसी मैंने उम्मीद की थी. This is exactly what I expected. This is exactly what I expected. ये काम मेरा नहीं है. This is not my business. This is not my business. ये मौदूए बहस है. This is what is under consideration. This is what is under consideration. हमें इसी का डर था. This is what we feared. This is what we feared. ये घड़ी सही वक्त बताती है. This watch keeps the correct time. This watch keeps the correct time. सुई में धागा डाल दो. Thread the needle. Thread the needle. अपने जूते के तस्मे बांध लो. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. सामान खोल दो. Unpack the luggage. Unpack the luggage. बहुत अच्छा. Very well. Very well. दोबारा आना. Visit us again. Visit us again. बस एक मिनट, मैं अभी आया. Wait a minute, I'm coming. Wait a minute, I'm coming. ये ख्याल तुम्हारे दिमाग में आया कैसे? What put that idea into your head? What put that idea into your head? ये क्या बकवास है? What's all this nonsense? What's all this nonsense? क्या हुआ है तुम्हें? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? आपकी आवाज को क्या हुआ? What's the matter with your voice? What's the matter with your voice? क्या परेशानी है मेरे प्यारे? What's troubling you, dear? What's troubling you, dear? आपका यहाँ क्या काम है? What's your business here? What's your business here? मुझे परवाह नहीं है. Who cares? Who cares? वैसे भला तुम हो कौन? Who might you be? Who might you be? संभल कर, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि तुम गिर पड़ो. Walk carefully, lest you should fall. Walk carefully, lest you should fall. हमें इसे बहुत जल्द पूरा करने की जरूरत है. We need to complete it very soon. We need to complete it very soon. बहुत खूब. Well done. Well done. क्या बकवास है? What nonsense. What nonsense. कितने दुख की बात है. What a pity. What a pity. कितनी शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. कितनी हैरत की बात है. What a surprise. What a surprise. क्या खूब मंजर है. What a view. What a view! कितना अच्छा ख्याल है. What an idea! What an idea! इतना खुश क्यों हो? What are you so happy about? What are you so happy about? आज हफ्ते का कौन सा दिन है? What day of the week is it today? What day of the week is it today? उससे उनकी क्या मुराद है? What do they mean by that? What do they mean by that? आपका क्या मतलब? What do you mean? What do you mean? आगे क्या हुआ? What happened next? What happened next? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? ये करने का क्या फायदा है? What is the use of doing this? What is the use of doing this? ये निशान कैसा है? What is this mark? What is this mark? बात क्या है? What's the matter? What's the matter? कुछ भी हो. Whatever the case may be. Whatever the case may be. जान है तो जहान है. While life is yours, the world is yours. While life is yours, the world is yours. तुम मुझसे सवाल करने वाले होते कौन हो? Who are you to question me? Who are you to question me? ईमान है तो सब कुछ है. He who has truth has all. He who has truth has all. कौन सा दरख्त है जिसको हवा नहीं लगी? Who is without fault? Who is without fault? अपनी सोच में गुम क्यों हो? Why are you lost in your thoughts? Why are you lost in your thoughts? ये मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? क्यों? क्या हुआ? Why? What happened? Why? What happened? ताज्जुब खेज. Wonderful. Wonderful. तौलिया निचोड़ दो. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. साफ साफ लिखो. Write legibly. Write legibly. मुझे इस पते पर खत भेजो. Write to me at this address. Write to me at this address. आपकी हालत पहले से कुछ ज्यादा खराब है. You are much worse than before. You are much worse than before. आप बिल्कुल भी मोटे नहीं हैं. बस ये आपका गुमान है. You are not fat at all. It's all in your mind. You are not fat at all. It's all in your mind. आपका यहाँ से अब फौरन निकल जाना बेहतर होगा. You had better get the hell out of there. You had better get the hell out of there. तुमने मेरी चाय गिरा दी, अहमक कहीं के. You have spit my tea. You need wait. You have spit my tea. You need wait. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. तुम्हें इसी वजह से पागल कहा जाता है. You are therefore called mad. You are therefore called mad. तुम बड़े चिड़चिड़े मिजाज के हो. You are very short-tempered. You are very short-tempered. जब तक आप इस शहर में रुके हैं, इस घर में ठहर सकते हैं. You can stay in this house as long as you stay in the city. You can stay in this house as long as you stay in the city. तुम मुझे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते. You can't do me any harm. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't get away like this. You can't get away like this. आपने मुझे 5 मिनट इंतजार करवाया. You kept me waiting for 5 minutes. You kept me waiting for 5 minutes. आप जा सकते हैं. You may go. You may go. तुम्हें पहले से ज्यादा अक्लमंदी से काम करने की जरूरत है. You need to work more wisely than before. You need to work more wisely than before. तुम्हें अक्लमंदी से काम करने की जरूरत है. You need to work wisely. You need to work wisely. आप तो नुमाइशगाह के लायक हैं. You ought to be put in the museum. You ought to be put in the museum. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. आपको मुझ पर मेहरबान होना चाहिए. You should be kind to me. You should be kind to me. तुम जोर से बोलते हो. You speak loudly. You speak loudly. तुम हद से ज्यादा जोर से बोलते हो. You speak too loudly. You speak too loudly. आपको जानकर हैरानी होगी. You will be surprised to know. You will be surprised to know. अपनी इज्जत अपने हाथ में है. Your honor is in your own hands. Your honor is in your own hands. तुम्हारा दिमाग बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है. Your mind is racing too much. Your mind is racing too much. तुम्हारी नाक बह रही है. Your nose is running. Your nose is running. सच बताऊं तो मुझे पढ़ने का शौक नहीं है. To tell you truth, I'm not interested in reading. To tell you the truth, I'm not interested in reading. आपकी घड़ी तेज चलती है. Your watch gains the time. Your watch gains the time. आप सच में बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं. You are really a good person. You are really a good person. आप तकदीर नहीं बदल सकते. You can't change what has been destined. You can't change what has been destined. कितने बुरे हो तुम. You are such a bad guy. You are such a bad guy.